Good day everyone, I am Rachel Balano, the next reporter. So I'm gonna tackle about the solutions of global warming, deforestation, the solution of depletion of ozone layer, and the solution of non-renewable resources depletion. So first, let us discuss the solutions of global warming. So what is global warming? Global warming is an aspect of climate change referring to the long-term rise of the planet's temperature. It is caused by increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning fuels and cutting down forests. So here are some of the solutions to global warming. The first one is use of renewable energies. What is renewable energies? This energy, these energies produced from sources like the sun and wind that naturally replenish and do not run out. So, from these energies, we can less global warming. So, number two is energy and water efficiency. It is the implementation of more efficient practices and technologies in the lab in order to minimize consumption. The next one is sustainable transportation. It is the ways of transportation that are sustainable in terms of their social and environmental impacts. Number four is social infrastructure. It is an equipment and systems that are designed to meet the population's essential service needs, including roads, bridges, and etc. This sustainable infrastructure can help to reduce our environmental and carbon footprint. The next one is sustainable agriculture. It is intended to protect the environmental, expand the Earth's natural resources base, and maintain and improve soil fertility. The last one is the responsible consumption and recycling. So it is the concept to reduce and reuse materials in production. This also helps to reduce greenhouse gases emissions by reducing energy consumption. It is also this can also save energy. So the next slide is the solutions of this deforestation. So what is deforestation? So discuss naman ni sa niaging reporter. This deforestation is a large scale of removal of trees from the forest for the facilitation of human activities. This can result of losing of biodiversity, damage to natural habitats, disturbances in the water cycle, and soil erosion. So here are some of solutions to deforestation. Number one is law and regulations. So, dapat man jud mosunod ta sa law and regulations nga gipatupad sa gobyerno because if di ta mosunod, it can threaten the livelihoods, cultures, weaken local and natural economies, increase the impact of natural disasters. Number two is reforestation. Reforestation kanang tree planting. It helps to stop climate change by removing carbon dioxide from the air, storing carbon in the trees and soil, and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Number three is the sensitization and educative campaign. This means that making people sensitive about an issue or creating awareness among the people. Like, for example of this is the making posters, signs, flyers, or comics. The last one is reduce consumption of paper. By using less paper, we can reduce the impact of forest, cut energy use, and climate change emissions, limit water, air, and other pollution, and produce less waste. The next slide is the solution for depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer is natural layer of gas in the upper atmosphere that protects human and other living things from harmful ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun. So how we gonna protect the ozone layer? Here are some of solutions for depletion of ozone layer. The first is avoid using ODS. What is ODS? ODS means ozone depleting substances. It is a chemical that destroys the Earth's protective ozone layer. Using of ODS is prohibited. Number 2 is minimize the use of vehicles. So sabotable naman no kay ang vehicles kay nag-contain of gas which is kanang harmful sa atong ozone layer. The next is use eco-friendly cleaning products. This will help to lessen both water and air pollution and effectively fight climate change and ozone depletion. The next is use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited. Nitrous oxide, like chlorofluorocarbons, is stable when emitted at ground level, but it breaks down when it reaches the stratosphere to form other gases. This is called nitrogen oxide that trigger ozone destroying reaction. So the use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited because this also harmful to our ozone layer. So the next slide is the solution of non-renewable resources depletion. This is extraction of fossil fuels and other finite energy sources. We can use like coal, natural gas, oil, and nuclear energy. So how we gonna protect or how the solution of non-renewable resources depletion? So the first one is using of renewable energy. Katong mag-use of energy nga gikan sa sun or sa wind like solar para makasave tag energy. So the next is a promotion of sustainable fishing rules. This can generate less waste, minimizes energy consumption, and reduces the use of chemicals that damage our Mother Earth. The third one is avoid single-use plastics. The fourth is recycle more and improve recycling system. The fifth is reduce food waste. And the last one is planting of trees and going paperless. This can help to save our forest, helps to decrease pollution, save water, and also reduce the usage of paper-related products. That's all for my report. Thank you.